In this video, I'll guide you through how to print a file from Google Drive, whether you're working with a document, a spreadsheet, or a PDF. The basic process is the same, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently send any file from your drive straight to your printer. Let's start from the very beginning. Opening your file in Google Drive. First, sign in to your Google account and go to Google Drive in your web browser. Once you're there, find the file you want to print. You can scroll through your folders or use the search bar at the top if you know the file's name. When you see it, click once to open it. It should load in a new tab or viewer window depending on the file type. With your file open, the next step is to access the print command. You have two main options here. The first is to use the print icon. Look toward the top of the screen for a small printer symbol, usually along the toolbar. Click that icon and your browser's print window will appear. The second option is to use a keyboard shortcut. On Windows or Chrome OS, press Ctrl and P together. On a Mac, it's Command and P. This shortcut does exactly the same thing. It simply opens the print dialog a bit faster. Once the print window opens, you'll need to choose which printer you want to use. At the top of the print dialog, you should see a section labeled Destination or Printer. Click on that and you'll see a list of available printers. This might include a home printer connected by USB, a wireless printer on your Wi-Fi network, or even options like Save as PDF. Select the physical printer you want to use. If you don't see your printer listed, make sure it's turned on, connected properly, and installed on your computer or network before continuing. After you've selected your printer, take a moment to adjust your print settings. This is where you control how the final pages will look. Depending on your browser and printer, you'll see options such as the number of copies, which pages to print, color or black and white, orientation, and paper size. If you only need part of the document, change the page range instead of printing everything. For example, you might type in pages 1 through 3 or just a single page number. You can also choose portrait or landscape orientation, which affects whether your pages are vertical or horizontal. If you're trying to save ink, switching to black and white can be helpful. Many print dialogs also show a preview on the side, so scroll through that preview to double check that everything looks correct before you commit. When your printer is selected and your settings look good, you're ready for the final step. Click the print button in the dialog window. Your computer will send the file to the printer, and after a short moment, your pages should start printing. If nothing happens, look for any error messages on your computer or on the printer's display, such as low ink, no paper, or a connection issue. That's all there is to it. By opening your file in Google Drive, using the print command, selecting the right printer, fine-tuning your print settings, and then clicking print, you can quickly turn your digital files into physical copies whenever you need them.